Hey guys, today we are going to see geolocation policy, latency policy, and multi-value answer policy in Route 53. Okay, so we already saw weighted and simple routing policy, right? So in this video, we are going to see these three policies. So I have already created a policies with the different resources. Since we already created a record from Route 53 in previous video, right? But I will just show how I added those values from geolocation. Here you can see I have added a record, and in routing policy you can choose geolocation and then you need to choose the location. So for this value, this 18, right? So this 18.203 is created in Hyderabad region. So I added this value for geolocation Asia. Okay, so if you click edit record, here you can see you can choose the location. Okay, so currently I have chosen Asia. So you can choose continent or you can choose a country. So I choose continent Asia. So similarly I have added for all of the geolocation policies. Okay, so this is for North America that I created in North Virginia. Okay, and Europe from Paris I have created on EC tension in Paris. Okay, so I can show you this in browser, but since I couldn't find proper VPN to try it from browser, but since I'm in India, if I click geo.sob, I will get Hyderabad region, right? So I'm going to show that in CLI. Okay, currently I'm in Paris cloud cell. Okay, so here I'm going to dig the geo domain geo.sob.in. okay, so since dig command is not there, so I will install okay. Now if I do dig geosob, so I'm getting 35.190.140, right? So if I check that in record, so 35 dot is in Europe. Okay, so this 35.180 should be in Europe. Okay, so I'm getting this IP because I'm in Paris cloud cell. Similarly I'm in Mumbai. Okay, this is Mumbai cloud cell. If I do dig here, 18.203. so this is from Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad. So see this is based on the geolocation that we added. We are getting the records from Route 53. Okay, similarly I'm in North Virginia cloud cell. Okay, so I already done a dig, but I will do dig again. So here you can see I'm getting 44.202. so if I check that 44.202 in geo record value, so this is for North America geolocation. So if you check that North Virginia EC2 instant IP address is the same IP address. Okay, so this is all about geolocation. Okay, so based on the geolocation policy you provide, users where they are in the geolocation, they will get the respective resource IP or a value from the Route 53. Okay, now we are going to see about latency routing policy. So first I will explain what is the difference between geolocation and latency policy. Okay, geolocation is mostly, you would say, restrict the user to access the respective geolocation resources. Like the user in North America won't be able to access the Europe or Asia resources. Okay, they can only access North America resource because we have added that in subdomain geo.sob.in. like that, it is kind of restriction. geolocation restriction, but in latency it will route the user to low latency resource. So if user is in Middle East, I only added Asia Pacific, Europe and US used to, right? For Middle East users, if it is the latency is low with Asia Pacific, Route 53 will give you the Asia Pacific resource. If it is low latency from Europe, Route 53 will give Europe resource. Okay, so we can check that in Cloud Cell as well. So let's say I check. So I choose a different location for that. So let's say this is Sao Paulo. I think this Sao Paulo is South America. Yeah. So let's say if I do late.sob.in, sorry, dec late.sob.in. See, I'm getting 44202 because the North America resource, North Virginia, is the nearest one. But if I do geo.sa, see, I didn't get any A record. I'm only getting this some name server record. That is because geolocation is restricted for this region. Only South America users can access the South America, and Asia Pacific users can access the Asia resource. Since this is from South America, we don't have resource in South America. From geo.sob.in, users can't access any resource. Okay, that's the difference between latency and geolocation. Similarly, I'm in central. If I do late.sob.in, still even the central taking the Canada, right? So that's why it's taking America's record. So let's say I'm in Mumbai. So if I do late.in, so 18, this is from Hyderabad. Okay, so now you understand the difference between routing policy, geolocation routing policy and latency routing policy, right? Next we see multi-value answer. Okay, so I have added records for multi-value answer as well. Okay, so before that, let me show how I added the records for latency. Okay, so here you can see if I click edit record, yeah, you just need to choose latency routing policy. It's similar to geolocation, but here you need to choose the exact region of the resource that you provide here. Okay, so this IP is from Hyderabad, so I added the Hyderabad region. Because you have to inform like Route 53, this IP is from Hyderabad. Similarly, you need to add it for other latency records as well. And for multi-value, so multi-value is nothing but you can add multiple value. Similar to simple routing, it will choose a random different values, but you can add health check here. So what main difference between simple and multi-value answer is that here you can choose health check. We will see health check in next lecture. Okay, so but it is similar to simple routing policy only, that I have added 3 value in same multi.sob.in. okay, and if I dig that, I'm in Sao Paulo, right? So I'm getting all 3 values. So every 20 second you will get a random value for this multi.sob.in. maybe I can show it here. So see, this is from US is to 1, right? So when I previously hit multi.sob.in, let's check now. Yeah, now so this website is from Hyderabad. So every 20 second this multi.sob.in is picking different IP from multi-value answer. Okay, this is multi-value answer routing policy in Route 53. So I guess that's it for this lecture. We will see health checks and failover routing policy in next lecture. Those are the two routing policies remaining, sorry, one routing policy is remaining in 53. So there are two other routing policy as well, like IP based and geo proximity. I can't show demo in those two policy, but I will explain it here. So IP based is, you can restrict the value based on the IP. Okay, so if you choose IP, you can provide a public cider range here, IP. So similarly, geo proximity is, you know coordinate level, like, you can provide longitude and latitude. It's similar to geolocation, but even further restrict the users with the longitude and latitude. Okay, yeah, that's it about these routing policies. We will see failover and health checks in next lecture. Thank you.